All right, y'all. So it is 6 o'clock. Oh, that just reminded me. It's time for The Bachelorette. I don't even watch it, but I gotta watch this season because my girl Michelle. Okay, this is all I got done. That's it. This is it. That's all I got done. I'm tired. I literally am going to do as much as I can while watching The Bachelorette. And after that, it's a wrap. We're going to see what we get done. I'm trying to think if I want to do the perimeter or do I want to keep going from back to front. We'll see. But this is what it's looking like. Yay. It feels so lightweight. Like when you have your own hair, it just feels so good. Anyway, I'll holla.
So I want to be with, so I'm excited.
Y'all, this is what I have done so far. So I did this side. And then I have this side. This is what we're looking like. I can't wait till I spritz my ends so they can curl up. Because this little straight dried mess looks a whole mess. But I'm just laying in bed. I still have all of this to do. Yeah, all of this. So it is like 9:30 in the evening. I started around like 11:30 this morning. Little breaks here and there. I had to do some work and stuff like that. I'm trying to figure out if I actually want to do more. Am I done for the night? I don't know. I think I'm gonna do these two sections in the front here. Why not? I don't know. I'll just keep going until I get really, really sleepy. But I'm gonna go ahead and braid this up to match this one so you can just get out of the way. Look at this little tiny thing. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun to take out, y'all. But yeah. Alright guys, so this is day 3. Really day 2 because yesterday, the second, I did absolutely nothing. When did I start? Did I start my hair on the 1st? I don't remember if I started on Sunday or if I started on Monday. But either way, yesterday, which was yesterday was the 1st actually. So I started on Monday the 30th. And I said I was going to be done on the 1st, but I didn't actually do anything on the 1st yesterday. I just cleaned my house. So this is where I am. This is all I have left to do. It's a lot, actually. I'm about to do this section right here, but this is done. This is done. This is done. I need to braid this up. Yeah, your girl she moving. She moving. I don't know. Eventually, I'll do like a mini or micro twist count video, but like I said, my goal is not to lock my hair, and I'm not going to say that it is because then it would be a lie. But yeah, I'm hoping to finish this. It is now 9:30 in the morning. I'm hoping to finish this today. So not hoping, we will finish this today. I don't care if it's at midnight. We're going to finish it, or 11:59 p.m. We're going to finish it today. I'll show you guys later how far I get. I take lunch around like 11, and I said it's like 9:30, so we'll see where I'm at during my lunch break. Because I want to go work out during my lunch, so we'll see. This is what the ends of my hair look like. Out of control. Out of control. Whew. Anyway, bye. I couldn't deal with my house looking like how I was looking for another day, so I decided to clean my house and put my hair to the side as a priority. So I didn't do any of my hair really yesterday. So now I woke up this morning and got back to work. So I started doing my hair this morning I started work at 5. I did not start my hair at 5. I started doing my hair around, I think it was like 9 maybe. 8:30, 9 o'clock is when I started my hair. But yeah, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Yeah. So now that I'm finished here, this is not once. I have more in this section to go. But now that I'm finished here, after I finish the rest of the section, I'm going to put this into a braid like the other ones. But look at it, y'all. Like, check me out. Check me out. These ones are definitely bigger than these ones for sure. But it's all good. So I'm going to go ahead and get some more done, and I'll come back to you guys when I'm like on the last little bit, maybe when I get up to like this section. This is a pretty small section. All right. Oh my God, y'all. This is all I have left. The Lord has blessed me for your girl to almost be done. I don't even know how many twists I have. I'm probably going to count those in a whole different video because ain't nobody got time for that today, baby. All right, this is probably, let's see, probably like 3 rows, maybe like, this is probably like 12 or 15 twists here. So I'm gonna come back when I get to like the last 2, or probably not. I'm gonna come back when it's done because like y'all see me twist 1, you see me twist 2. You don't need to see me twist anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna come back when it's all done. I'm gonna take these little braids out so you can see the fullness of it all. And yeah, so I'll be back. All right, guys, so I'm done. Take a look at the hair, what it's looking like. I have no idea how many locks are in my hair right now. I did just go put some of my hair growth oil in there, and I also spritzed it with some rose water. I'm about to actually get in a shower now. I need to get all this hair off of me. And I'm not gonna wash it, of course, but the steam in the shower will probably curl up my ends. Right now, my ends look dull and dry, but my hair is naturally curly, so whenever I do wash it, it's gonna be so much shrinkage. It's gonna go shroop. But yeah, so just want to show you guys a little close-up of what everything's looking like here. Take a look, take a look. Let me turn around. You know, that's where we at. So yeah, I'm about to get in the shower. Oh, my Amazon package. I'm like, what is this? Oh, that's actually some KOH flakes. Potassium hydroxide, I think that's what it is. I'm going to be making my own shampoo soon that I'm going to use and try out on myself for about a month first before I add it to my product collection. But yeah, I'm going to go take a shower. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll probably come back at the end of my shower, see if it curled up a little bit, and show you guys what it's looking like with a little curl to it. Hey Google, turn off music. Okay guys, so let me zoom out a little bit so y'all can see a little bit more of me. But this is what my hair is looking like after I just got out the shower, put on a little lip gloss, and moisturize my face. I don't really wear makeup, but my lips is popping. Anyway, this is what it looks like. My hair got wet. The back got wet. I didn't want it to be this wet, but it's not like fully wet. Honestly, my roots and stuff are dry. But the back got wet just from taking a shower. I didn't wrap anything up. I wanted it to curl up. And so I had water on my hands. I just ran my hands through my hair to get the top portion. But this is what it looks like right now. So as you can see, night and day already. It already shriveled up compared to what it was before. This is what we look like. So I'm gonna show you guys the back. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So yeah, that's what we look like. So that was our video for today for Vlogmas Day 2. Literally, that's all I did today was my hair and work. I was about to go work out. Well, in about like an hour, I'm gonna get something to eat, probably make a protein shake or something first. But I was about to just go relax for about an hour and a half and then go work out in my gym. However, my neighbor wanted me to go show her house because the girl's also a realtor. She wanted me to go show her house for rent. So I'm going to go check and see if that house is available to see today. And yeah, we're going to do that. So until tomorrow, guys, see y'all for Vlogmas Day 3. Yeah, well, that's like 6, but y'all know what I meant. If I actually do it, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas.